Hey everyone!
Hi guys!
So Dose of Colors is launching their newest product this month, and it's their individual eyeshadow palettes.
Called the Block Party.
The Block Party.
Woo-woo.
So what Anya and I are going to do today is we've both picked up this teal color because
So
I feel
pretty.
like summer teal, it goes hand in hand.
And
you know,
I feel like teal
the
is really in right now.
It is. It's a very makeup. I feel like Kim with her blue. You know, like it's just this thing going around the blues and the teals.
Yeah.
So we're gonna pick this color. We've picked this color, and both of us are gonna create a look.
Yes.
And you guys are gonna pick whose look looks better. And you guys.
Oh damn, we're doing competition.
I know how much you guys love when Anya and I challenge each other because we both become so competitive and such haters. So we'll try not to kill ourselves while we get through this look.
Okay, so we are both gonna create our own looks now. Let's see. I'm not gonna look at you and you won't look at me.
No.
Okay.
And then you guys stay tuned to the end of the video for the giveaway. It's gonna be a special one. Hint, hint.
Not picked by Nora. Stop it.
Might be from the collection. I was not saying that. And the only thing I was gonna say is that you won the last giveaway. I mean, you won the last challenge because I gave it to you. I made everyone vote for you.
You gave it to me. You're like you stuck to the plan. Yours was nicer.
For the Google
I gave it
pick
to
my
you.
makeup. So just saying, it's my turn. We gave her one, guys. Let's go back
Or
to
we
me.
pick fair.
Let's go back to me here. Start with my eyes because teal is like such a bright color. I feel like it's gonna go everywhere and ruin my foundation.
You do you.
Ani's clearly not thinking that far.
Why don't you pay attention to your own self? How about that? I feel like I need to like pull my hair back and like concentrate for this one, you guys.
Why, you're nervous?
No. I got a plan. That's why. Okay? I got a plan. I feel like we should put one of those like cardboard shades in between us so we can't see each other.
Why, did you get nervous and just move on to your eyes as well without finishing your face?
No, I don't need that much foundation.
Who had the better plan here? Huh?
You missed what I said. I don't need that much foundation.
Yeah. Side note, I love this color. I don't think I've worn this much makeup in like ever.
5 days.
Wow. Do you guys see how shady she is? When'd you become such a bitch? I thought you were the short, sweet one.
Competition time.
Just saying. You guys are all fooled.
Competition
All fooled.
time. That's why.
All fooled.
I will admit though, you were right about not having to put on foundation first.
Mm-hmm. Now I can move on to my foundation.
You do you.
I am doing me.
I love how bitchy we are.
We.
Who do you think I learned it from?
You're just a sore loser. So by having lost so many times, that you've just become bitter when challenges.
Who do you guys think I learned it from?
When challenges come about, but it's okay.
I learned it from you.
Holding up there. It's a friendly check-in. Don't be a hater. It's a friendly check-in.
Doing fine, thank you. Yourself?
Girl, what? Oh my god. How about instead of taking a poll on who's gonna win the challenge, let's take a poll on the level of Ani's haterness. 1 to wow.
I said I was doing fine. How are you?
Mm-hmm. So there's an Armenian saying, you guys. I don't know how it's in reference to short people, and it says, "Don't be fooled. Half of their height is underground, like that you don't see." That's right here.
What's
here.
the reference? Why do you say
Like
that?
people think boy kesa getni takana.
Ah.
So like you think short, sweet, innocent, but not really.
No, we're actually 8 foot tall.
Half of their height is underground. Don't be fooled.
Yeah, we're grounded. people.
Oh, oh. I haven't done this dark of a look in such a long time. It's crazy. Like it's like
Heavy.
not heavy, just like I forgot what I look like with it. I'm gonna take Aya to a doctor's appointment after.
They're gonna be like, whoa.
With these eyes.
Like, her mom really wears a lot of makeup. You're like, oh, it's just, a regular day. Okay, I want to see what you look like.
Wait, I'm like moving slow. I haven't had coffee today. Or the one cup I had didn't really help.
You had coffee.
That's what I'm saying. The one cup I had didn't help.
You just didn't wake up today.
Yeah. Damn it.
By all means, take longer.
I'm not even looking at you. I don't need negative energy in my life right now.
Guess I'll just put on more makeup.
Or you realize, oh shit, no, I did that, let me do it too.
I wasn't even looking at you.
Mm-hmm.
I just thought to myself, I could use a little bronzer right here.
It's so funny you went back to your Stila too.
Yeah.
Me too. I feel like I haven't had good luck with bronzers.
Same.
Maybe that's what we'll do the giveaway.
Yeah, can you guys recommend a really good bronzer? Recommend a really good bronzer that isn't Stila, Charlotte Tilbury, or Rimmel London. Because that's what I have in my bag right
Or
now.
Bobbi Brown.
Or Bobbi Brown.
Okay, 3, 2. You didn't even use the color.
I did!
Like,
you are so blue.
It's barely on there. That's like your regular day makeup.
No, it's not. I did teal
You
under
lose
my
this
eyes.
challenge.
No way.
You lose this
Yours
challenge.
is
I went all
aggressive.
out. Yeah, you had to use the color.
I don't know. It's a little too much.
Where's yours? Hello?
It's under my eye.
Oh, microscope.
You don't have to use eyeshadow only on your top lid.
Well, we're creating a fun
yeah.
look.
So if
You
you're
could have
scared,
put some more color
so
on.
if you're not like,
under your
whoa,
lid.
this color is like not from you or it's too aggressive, you could put it under your eye. There are two
Yeah.
ways to do things.
I get.
Think outside the box, Nora.
I get under eye, but you barely put it on your under eye too. You could have gone a little
no,
more.
I put it entirely. I didn't put anything else in my under eye.
It's still
just
too
blue.
minimal. It's still
Yours
too
is too
minimal.
much.
Well, whatever. So we'll let you guys decide, okay? So let us know who won this challenge. We all know who it is. No, you weren't even participating in this challenge.
In order to qualify for the giveaway, we're going to be giving away a Dose of Colors eyeshadows. Super, super cute. But in order to qualify, you need to be subscribed to our channel, you need to like our video, and leave us a comment below. Give us a recommendation for a bronzer.
Yeah,
Seriously,
we need a new bronzer.
We need a new bronzer.
See you guys.
Bye, guys.